everyone, wishing you all a very happy new year. Today I've decided to show you guys a wonderful cool drink which is also a dessert, a kid's favorite yummy Falooda. So if you guys like this recipe, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also do not forget to hit the bell button to receive the notification. So let's get started. To make the Falooda, I've taken the safe cut fruits. I've taken strawberry and cherry today. You can use anything of your choice. Raspberry jelly. Today I've used the store-bought ready-made jelly crystal. As per the instructions given in the packet, I've made the jelly. You can also make it the previous day and refrigerate it. Half a liter of milk, sabja seeds. Add enough water to the sabja seeds. Soak the sabja seeds at least for 5 minutes. Chopped nuts, cherry, tutti frutti, rose essence and sugar. Add little of rose essence to the refrigerated milk and also add 1.5 teaspoon of sugar to it. Next, I am going to cook the safe. Add the safe to the boiling water. Leave it for at least 2 to 3 minutes. And then after it gets cooked, drain the water and take out the safe. Finally, let's assemble the Falooda. First, I'm adding the raspberry jelly, cooked safe, sabja seeds, cut fruits, tutti frutti, a little of rose essence, chilled rose milk, chopped nuts, and a little of cherries on top. Here is the absolute delicious kids' favorite Falooda. Do try the recipe and let us know your feedback.